Hey guys, so in this video I'm doing another collaboration with a larger group of people. This is probably the biggest collaboration I've ever done in YouTube history, the history that I've been on here. And I'm doing it with 8 ladies. I'm actually reading the list because there's no way I could have memorized. There's no way I could have memorized all these names. So I'm gonna read them out to you and show their names on screen as well as their channel names so you can check out their videos for this collaboration. Basically, it's non-traditional Valentine's look, something crazy and fun rather than your traditional Valentine's Day, Valentine's night looks. I do have one of those, however. I'll link it down below for you in case you missed it. I do have a traditional look, but here are the ladies participating. So we have Afoma from the Afoma.o channel. We have Arielle from Always Arielle, Brianna from Purple Pink Red, myself from Candace Hampton, Rachael from Ray Young, Rachael, 2 different Rachels by the way. This one is from Pixie Ray MUA. Shelly from Shelly Schlaska. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. Tara from Tara Beauty 36. And Tiffanie from TJ Marks BB. Also links to all of the videos will be down below. This is such a fun collaboration, just like all the other collaborations I've done recently. So much fun. So without further ado, if you'd like to see how I did this crazy look for the Pimp My Heart collaboration series, stay tuned. I'm first taking my Snazaroo palette. This is a face paint palette. I used it multiple times now. I had no idea I would get this much use out of it. I just thought I was going to use it for Halloween and be done, but this is like my 4th time using it. 3rd or 4th. So I'm mainly going to be using the red, pink, white, maybe a little black as well in here. I'll be activating these colors with some Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. You could definitely use water with these, but it's easy for me to use this too, so. And I have tons of All Nighter, so. Let's get started. I think first I'm going to fill my brows in with red. I'm going to have red brows. Don't know how this is going to look. That's the whole fun of this collaboration. So I'm going to activate the red and fill in my brows. Now I'm going to use some rhinestones. These are some rhinestones I had left over from another fun look. Got these from Amazon, super cheap. Gonna use pink rhinestones. And to make them stick, I'm going to use some lash glue. And I think I'm gonna trace around my brow. This is all like trial and error, so just bear with me. I'm now going to sketch some hearts on the face since this is a Pimp My Heart collaboration. It's not supposed to be cute. I mean, it's gonna be cute, but it's gonna be a little crazy as well. So I'm just gonna sketch some hearts in random places on my face with my paint. By the way, the eyeliner I use to sketch out the hearts is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Alkaline. And now I'm just filling them in with white. And I'll figure out what I'm going to do after that, after I do this. I'm now going in with my Glam Vice Baby It's Cold Outside palette. And I'm gonna take this red here. Actually, I think I'm gonna take this red glitter. I'm gonna mix them, actually. I'm gonna use both. I'm gonna start with the color and then fade it out to the glitter, if that makes any sense. I'm taking a stiff flat brush. So I'm gonna smudge out the lines of the hearts with a red and then smudge it out even further with the glitter. We're gonna see how that looks. Actually, for a couple of the hearts, the ones in the center, I'm going to smudge them out with pink and then pink glitter. So I'm only going to do red over here. I did red on these two, but I don't want them to all look the same. now I have the color down, I'm gonna go on the outside with the glitter from the palette I showed you. As I mentioned, I have no idea how this is gonna work out, but I'm willing to see. I'm gonna use Bubblegum from Jeffree Star. This is in the Jawbreaker palette. I'm taking that hot pink there, and I'm smudging out the other hearts. I'm gonna also smudge out those other hearts, the ones I already did in red. I'm gonna go outside the glitter. And then with the same pink, I'm gonna go around my brows on the end, on the edge that doesn't have the rhinestone. So for example, on this side, I'm gonna go this side, I'm going on the bottom. I'm not sure I like that, the eyebrow thing, but I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna apply it more like eyeshadow. Don't have any primer on my eyes either, so hopefully it doesn't crease. I'm gonna apply it more like eyeshadow, so I'm gonna go underneath even closer. Kind of like it's going to be my brow highlight. I'm actually going to take some primer now. I probably should have done this to begin with. Hopefully I don't have any problems. I think I'm done with the paint. I'm actually going to take some e.l.f. glitter primer. It works the same as eyeshadow primer because I used it for months or for years. Never knowing it was an eyeshadow primer. I mean, never knowing it was a glitter primer. I thought it was eyeshadow primer. And it worked underneath eyeshadows. So, I'm going to apply this on the eyes. I think I'm gonna actually do eyeshadow. Oh, being careful not to alter anything. I'm putting some on the bottom too. Just a little. Don't need too much. I'm gonna take the shimmery pink in Jawbreaker called Cotton Candy. Right there. I'm gonna apply that in eyeshadow. I'm only applying it on the eyelid. So I'm gonna do this really precise. Actually, I'm only going to apply that color on one eyelid. On the other eyelid, I'm going to take this color called Raspberry. It's darker and it's matte, this one. And apply this on the other eyelid. For the bottom, I think I'm going to smoke it out. For the lower lash line, I'm going to smoke it out with something even darker. I'm going to go with black. This is the Hola Chola Becky Colourpop palette. And I'm going to take the darkest one in the palette, this color here. Before I even do that, I'm going to apply some eyeliner. I'm taking Feline Coal Power. I'm going to smoke this out a lot lower than I normally would. I'm going to kind of do a backwards wing, where I wing out the bottom rather than the top. Now I'm going to go back in with those eyeshadows. I'm going to extend them kind of on top of the wing. So I'm going to start the raspberry, connect it here, and stop shy with the outside, and then do the same thing with the cotton candy. Now I'm going to take some glitter. I have to use glitter. I have this one from Cutie Pop. It's from one of her palettes, which is one of her glitter sets, and it's like a hot pink. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet. So I think I'm gonna put this glitter on my brows. So what I'm gonna do is take my e.l.f. glitter primer again and just kind of trace this over my brow with my finger. I'm gonna do one at a time, just so it doesn't dry super fast. And then just dabbing it and not smudging it because you don't want your color to be messed up. I'm gonna spray a brush with All Nighter. It's a brand new, not brand new, but it's clean. I haven't used it for anything else. I'm going to dip that wet brush directly into the jar and I'm gonna brush this on my brow. Or probably pat it. We'll see how it works. Close your eye. Gonna go ahead and do that other eyebrow now with some glitter. Too much. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. This is the Clinique High Impact Lash Elevating Mascara. I'm gonna put some crazy lashes on. I mean, I have to. So the lashes I'm gonna use are the Red Cherry 118s. They look like this. They aren't extremely crazy. These are the craziest that I have though. And I believe I'm gonna do something about my brows. Let me think about what I'm gonna do. Because I feel like it's a little too blended in with, you know, the color above, and I need some type of separation. I'm gonna think about it. I believe I'm gonna go back into my white paint just because I'm not satisfied with how my brows look. They look like I just threw a bunch of stuff up there. Even though it's supposed to be a fun look, I still want it to have a little bit of, you know, finesse. Just a little. So I'm taking some more of that white paint I used earlier, and I'm taking a stiff brush, and I'm just gonna sketch, I believe, just sketch a line in between. I don't know how this is gonna look, so hopefully it doesn't come out crazy because I won't be able to fix it. I'm gonna sketch a line in between the rhinestones on the brow, just so it isn't so, oh gosh, I messed up already. So essentially it's like I'm carving out my brow, except I'm using white to do it. Just like I would if I was cleaning up my actual brow. And then on this side I'm going on top. And I'm not starting all the way at the front. But I guess I better leave it alone before I screw it up too much. I did kind of screw up my rhinestones. I got the paint too close. But it's okay. I'm gonna apply some eyeliner to the top. This is totally unnecessary, but I'm gonna do it. This is the L'Oreal Linear Intense Black Noir Liquid Liner. And I'm gonna meet that black. I'm just gonna smudge out a little more black on the bottom. I didn't put enough base here and it's starting to crease. Too far. Oops. Should be rather easy to get rid of unless you put foundation on, which I do not have any. Okay, I think I'm done with the eyes and the face. So, I'm gonna move on to lips. I have two glazed lip paints here from LA Girl. I think I'm gonna go for this brighter one here. This one is called Baby Doll. I'm gonna use a lip brush. If I have one handy, yes I do. This is some random lip brush from some brush set. Just take any you have. I hope you guys enjoyed my Pimp My Heart video from the collaboration. I'll have all these lovely ladies' channels down below for you as well. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit all of them at the end of the video. I'm certainly going to try. If they're not at the end of the video, they will definitely be down below. Highly recommend you check out all of their looks. I've seen a couple of them already and they're pretty awesome. So, links to subscribe to these ladies will be down below as well as their videos. Don't forget to rate this video, subscribe to my channel as well, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss anything. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.